Okay, today is the big day. After, I don't know, a couple months of pretty whirlwind, crazy amounts of work, Idols of Torment Remastered is out. This has been a huge labor of love, passion project for myself and its co-creator JP. I made a video recently talking about why we wanted to redo this book, and it feels really good to have actually done it. The new version. First of all, you can go get the PDF, the full thing, for free. Just go to blackmagiccreative.ca and the PDF is there. It's not limited, it's not a basic version, it is the full one-for-one book. This is so you can check it out, see if you like it, and to make it easier for people like you out there to encourage others to take up the game and play it with you. We've also made the game pieces set STLs, so the lost miniatures and the tokens, available for free on my mini factory. They didn't used to be free, but they are now. So if you have a 3D printer or access to one or whatever, yeah, you can really get a lot of value, a lot of good stuff for nothing. Of course, this will also be available in a hardcover book, and that was the big thing for us. We didn't crowdfund it. It was just paid for 100% upfront. All the new artist costs, as well as all the printing, which was pretty expensive. For everyone who said they would support this and want to get a copy, I hope you meant it. The book, of course, will also be available at blackmagiccreative.ca. It's a nice A5 Smithsonian hardcover on nice cream paper. All the paper is FSC certified, environmentally friendly, which was another important thing to us. And it's already in production. The books have been paid for, the proofs have been approved, and they are just in the queue at the printing place to get done. And they're getting made domestically. They're being printed in Quebec, so there's no worry about overseas shipping. We will have them within a couple weeks, and we'll be able to start shipping them out to customers who pre-ordered it by the end of the month or early June, depending on exactly when they come. That's really exciting. No big delays like you would usually get with a crowdfunding thing. I'm sure some people are wondering if they already have the original version, do they need this one? If they have the original version, do they have to get this one? Well, first of all, you can download the PDF and compare and see for yourself. But essentially, this is a full replacement for the original rule set. The spirit of the game is exactly the same. Mechanically, it's basically the same game, but the entire book has been rewritten, both in terms of rules being revised and just perfected, as well as all the language being improved. So this is a much more succinct, easy to read rule set, but it is still essentially the same game. There's been massive changes with the order abilities. Every order got all new abilities to better balance them out and make them more exciting and thematically appropriate. The Guardian models, Angels, Demons, Heroic, Lost, they've been massively improved. And the scenarios, thematically same scenarios, but they have been perfected. And overall, it just makes a much better game. There's also a 3-player and 4-player scenario included, so that gives the game a lot more options. And the biggest change mechanically is the Echo deck. Previously, it was a large deck of cards with a bunch of different stats on them to introduce randomness into the game. Now it's just 12 cards, and those 12 cards reference a table. They don't have stats on them. And this means that they can be applied to other tables in the future while still using just this basic 12 card set, and they're a lot better. It's really, we took the best of the big set, applied it to these 12 cards, also added in a bunch more cool effects. And because it's a 12 card deck, that also means it's very easy to use a D12 to roll on that table. The physical game pieces set that has the sprues for the Lost and the initiative tokens, as well as the punch condition tokens and a little baggie, we've added a physical set of these Echo cards to that so that you can have them, but also like 12 cards. Easy to make your own, easy to print the ones out of the book. Yeah, just overall a much cleaner, better system. And of course, one of the big exciting things about this new version is the artwork. There is a bunch of original art that carried over from the first one that we loved and wanted to preserve, but also there is new art a lot of which is by Josh Scribbleskull, who really helped us bring this to life. He really understood the setting, was a fan himself, and that was so valuable. He really captured the mood and the setting and the characters, but also he was able to do it all on really tight deadlines for us. So we greatly appreciate that. Thank you, Josh. And on top of that, there is this huge new terrain set available. This is only available as STL to 3D print. It's on my mini factory currently on the website, where we don't have a way to sell big STL sets. So it is separate. You got to go there separately and get it, but it's awesome. It's such a nice set. I really love it. It's got a huge amount of pieces, more than you need, and it's a great way to get a table ready to play. The nice thing about STLs too is you print it in FDM and it's not going to break when transporting it. A lot of the original terrain I made for this game looked amazing, but it didn't transport well because it had a lot of plaster and brittle bits. It was really display pieces. This stuff can get chucked in a box and taken to a game store and be played. So is that all of it? I guess that's it. So again, new version, free PDF, pre-order the hard copy book, both at blackmagiccreative.ca, terrain set on my mini factory. You can also go check out idolsoftorment.com. That's been updated and it has all these links as well. Oh, I swear I'm forgetting some stuff. I really hope you enjoy this new version of the game and that you think it deserves a pre-order on the book, because I got a bunch of them on their way. So I don't want to keep them all. I want you to have them. Okay, see you later.